An entirely normal day on the road. Potential dangers lurk almost everywhere. One truck driver, two truck drivers, three truck drivers, a cyclist. They are at the mercy of the chaos of the road. But luckily, there are the Mercedes-Benz Trucks Super Safety Sidekicks. ABA 6, full braking ahead, slows down faster than sound bowl meditation. ASGA 2, incredible reaction speed, right, left, right, left, right. The game changer for blind spots. FGA sees the future that's right in front of you. ADA 3, so composed and balanced that it can't be knocked off course. With this team, you're sure to be safe on the road in your Mercedes-Benz truck.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.